Have you ever wondered why the rich keep getting richer, while others seem to stay stuck no matter how hard they work? The truth is, it's not just about how much money they make, it's about what they do with their money. Today, I'll reveal 5 things rich people do differently that separate them from everyone else. And if you stick around till the end, I'll share a bonus strategy that the wealthy never want you to know. Most people think about money day to day. How do I pay my bills this month? Or can I afford this new phone? But the rich think in decades, not days. Instead of asking, what can I buy now? They ask, what can I invest in that will grow 5, 10, or 20 years from now? For example, Warren Buffett once said, someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. When you shift your mindset from instant gratification to long-term growth, you start to think like the wealthy. Here's a big difference. The average person buys liabilities, things that lose value, like cars, designer clothes, or the latest gadgets. The rich buy assets, things that make them money, like real estate, stocks, or businesses. Robert Kiyosaki explains this perfectly in Rich Dad, Poor Dad. The rich buy assets, the poor only have expenses. Every dollar you spend is a decision. Will this grow my wealth, or will it drain my wealth? The average person works for money. The rich, they make money work for them. How? By creating passive income streams, stocks that pay dividends, rental properties bringing in monthly cash flow, businesses that earn even when they're not working. This is why compound interest is called the 8th wonder of the world. It's like having an army of dollars working for you 24/7. The rich constantly invest in themselves, but here's the catch. They don't just rely on traditional school. They read books, hire mentors, attend networking events, and take courses that teach them skills like investing, sales, and leadership. Think about it. If you don't understand how money works, someone who does will always control it for you. The rich aren't just focused on making money, they're focused on keeping it. They do this by having emergency funds for unexpected events, using insurance to protect against risks, setting up trusts, legal structures, and tax strategies to keep more of what they earn. Meanwhile, many people lose wealth through bad debt, lawsuits, or poor planning. Here's a bonus tip. The rich surround themselves with other successful people. Your network is your net worth. If you hang out with 5 broke friends, guess what? You'll likely be the 6th. But if you spend time with people who are financially savvy, you'll naturally level up. The rich don't just make more money. They think differently, act differently, and plan differently. Start applying even one of these strategies today, and you'll be miles ahead of where you were yesterday. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this.